Kia ora, this is our Matariki book, which I think is one of our best sellers, or probably our biggest seller, and it's also won an award. It won at the Copyright Licensing New Zealand Educational Publishing Awards, Teacher's Choice. So this book won as the Teacher's Choice for the best Māori language resource in New Zealand, which was pretty exciting for us in November 2015. The reason that people like it is because there's some beautiful Matariki books out there, but it's hard for teachers to use some of them with really young children. So they were really wanting to, as we all do things at Matariki with children, they really wanted to find a way to have a book that would work well for them, and so this book does. The song on this book is very different to the other songs. It isn't as bouncy, it's more of a lullaby. It's quite a spiritual song, and I think it's deliberately kind of more reverent to give Matariki the respect that it deserves. So the story tells about how a family wakes up on the morning during Matariki and is looking at the Matariki stars. So this is the whānau here, and the thing that I learned when I was doing this book is that the Matariki stars are only visible at dawn, not at the end of the day. So that we already had the story of the idea of the family getting up and looking at the stars, and then the whānau's coming, the extended whānau's coming to have a family day, and then the elders will be talking about the people who've passed away, which is an important part of the Matariki time, talking about the people who've passed away in the last year or so. And then there's obviously going to be some delicious food and all the different things that we do at Matariki. I'm just showing you the pictures first, and a bit of singing and a bit of kapahaka, and then the feast, the hakari. And then I was thinking that we would be looking at the stars at night as well, but they're only visible at dawn. So then we had to think, oh, what are we going to do to make the ending? And so we came up with a really good idea of I wanted to say about the stars, but that we came up with the idea that we would use the sparklers and make it a Matariki word in the sky, like we do when we write our names with the sparklers, so that then people, as you can see in the photo, are starting to go home after a lovely long day of spending time with the family. And so that's the story behind the story, and it's a good one to look through with children first to see, the transition of what's happening during the day. It's a slower starting one. It's got a lot about the Matariki on the first page, takes a little while to get through, and then this story itself starts. And the beginning of each page of the story part is he pai kia hau, which is, it literally means it's good to me, but it means I like the. So this is, I like the family coming to stay, then I like the talking, and I like the food, and I like the singing, and I like the kapahaka, and I like the feast, and I like the stars. So those are the different things in the book. And you can also use this sentence, would be so good, like you could use it for he pai kia hau, maybe what animals they like, or what food they like, or numerous other things. So it's a lovely little sentence for children to learn how to say. So for Matariki, we actually do this one with our Matariki costumes and with the kapahaka moves that were designed for this particular song by Maria Huata. And so I'll be showing you those moves as well. So I'll put the music on and we'll start doing the Matariki song.
Matariki.